Hi guys, in this video, we're going to be looking at managing the follow-up section on Eazybe. Before getting started, you can see that I've logged into my WhatsApp account and I have Eazybe installed. So all I need to do is click on the user profile section here and click on the follow-up section. Now I'll be able to create follow-ups in the shared section on Eazybe. For example, I can create a follow-up like follow-up for price and click on create. This follow-up will be visible to everyone on Eazybe. Now, I can also create follow-ups with reminders, which will give me notifications. I can create a follow-up called reminder and click on the enable reminder option here. And when I create this follow-up, it will create a task for it as well, which will be visible in the task section, and I can manage it from there. I can either work on it or delete it, and it will be moved to the completed section here. I can also edit existing follow-ups by clicking on them and using the pencil icon here. And when I save the changes, it will be updated for everyone using the extension as well. Hope it's been informative. For more such videos, please refer to our playlist.